Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create RAR and zip files on your DOOGEE V20. So in order to do this, we'll need to download the RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. There will be a few pictures that we're going to pack. So let's pick 3 of them like this, then click on this plus button. From here we can customize our archiving options, so you can change name, extension for the file, set the password, change few options. In advanced there'll be more advanced settings, and in the options there'll be more options. In the comment section you can leave any description about this archive, and after everything is set, click OK. That way you'll create a simple RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.